welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 45 for May 21st, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Some awesome AI developments today, and we're going to make all of it make sense. Let's get into it. So imagine you're texting a friend late at night about something that's really bothering you. Instead of a generic reply, you get thoughtful answers that feel safe and careful. That is the idea behind a new AI called The Path. It was built by people who used to work at Calm and with Tony Robbins. Think of it like a super careful tutor who knows exactly when to suggest real help instead of just guessing. The team trained their model to score 95 out of 100 on a special mental health safety test called Vera-MH. Regular chatbots usually top out around 65 on the same test. The model checks its own responses against strict safety rules before answering. This stops it from giving dangerous advice about things like self-harm or crisis situations. Here's why that matters for you. Lots of teens and students already turn to AI chatbots when they feel stressed or anxious. Those tools were never built for emotional support in the first place. A safer version could mean better homework help when you are overwhelmed. It could also give you a place to sort through feelings without worrying the AI will say something harmful. This opens doors for future careers in building responsible AI tools that actually help people. Right now, the project is still in early stages. Keep an eye on their updates if this interests you. Remember that any AI chat about serious feelings should always be paired with talking to a real person or professional when things feel heavy. Okay, now for my favorite part of the show, the deep dive where we look under the hood. You know how when you are baking cookies and you keep reusing the same batch of dough over and over, the cookies start tasting weird and falling apart because there are no fresh ingredients left. That is basically what happens to some AI models when they run out of new human-written text to learn from. Researchers found that if an AI only trains on stuff other AIs have already made up, it starts repeating the same patterns. It makes more mistakes and gets worse at answering questions. The fix they are testing is simple. Keep mixing in real, fresh writing that actual people created, like stories, articles, and conversations. This stops the model from cannibalizing its own earlier outputs. It keeps answers more accurate and creative. So next time someone talks about model collapse, you can picture it as running out of fresh cookie dough. You have to add real flour again to save the batch. And that is basically how model collapse works. Not so scary, right? Let's move to some cool stuff you can try yourself. First up is a tool called Inter1 that watches video calls or streams in real time. It picks up on things like engagement, tone, and conversation quality while they happen. Think of it like a coach watching your game tape and pointing out how the team is working together. The tool breaks the video into short 8-second windows and sends back updates about how people on screen are interacting. This could help with practice interviews, team projects, or learning how to read social cues better. You do not need to code anything to explore the idea. Go to the Interhuman AI site and check out their demo videos to see the 12 different social signals it tracks. Then try recording a short 30-second clip of yourself practicing a presentation. Imagine what signals an AI might notice about your energy and clarity. Next is something even easier to jump into right now. Some developers are running powerful AI tools entirely inside regular web browsers using something called WebAssembly. This lets code run safely without installing anything heavy on your device. Picture it like setting up a mini science lab right on your kitchen table instead of needing a whole school building. You could one day edit videos or test ideas without a powerful computer. It is still early, but the potential for quick private experiments is huge. Try this right now. Open any modern browser and search for Web-Based Image Editor AI Demo or Browser AI Playground. Pick one that lets you upload a photo and apply effects without signing up. Experiment with turning a selfie into different styles to see how far browser AI has already come. Now for a couple of quick bits that caught my eye. One builder connected an open-source AI agent called OpenClaw to physical hardware. This lets the agent actually move and interact with the real world like a simple robot. The story shows how good AI coding tools are making it easier for regular people to experiment with robotics projects at home. Another creator used video generation tools to make fake driving footage. The footage includes masks that show exactly where the driver is looking and how alert they seem. It is a clever way to create practice data for safety systems without filming real people for hours. That's it for today. Remember, every AI expert started exactly where you are right now. If something we talked about today made you curious, go try it. That's literally how learning works. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and we'll see you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Enora Network. Links in the show notes. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.